You've written a careful prompt. The AI ignores half of it. Sound familiar? You're not bad at prompting, you're just doing it all at once. Prompt chaining means breaking a complex task into smaller connected prompts, where each answer feeds the next question. One job at a time. Imagine a relay race. No single runner covers the whole track. They hand off the baton. Your prompts should work exactly the same way. When you cram 5 instructions into one prompt, the AI gets overloaded. It misses points, forgets context, and makes things up to fill the gaps. This isn't just theory. Teams building real AI products rely on chaining because focused steps catch errors early and produce more reliable output every time. Before touching the AI, map your task. List every piece the final output needs. Each item on that list becomes its own dedicated prompt. Run your first prompt, read the result, then paste it into your next prompt as context. You're building forward, not starting over each time. Here's a classic one-prompt mistake. You ask for everything at once. The AI tries, but something always gets missed, or the tone drifts halfway through. Now watch the chain. Prompt 1 gets titles. Prompt 2 builds an outline from the best one. Prompt 3 expands a single section. Clean, consistent, done. Here's your most important habit. Read each output before passing it on. One bad answer cascades through every step that follows. Catch it early. Chaining doesn't fix a vague prompt. Each step still needs a clear, specific instruction, plus the previous output as context. Vague links break the chain. Prompt chaining isn't for everything. If you just need a quick summary, one prompt is fine. Use chaining when the task is genuinely complex and multi-step. Once you build a chain that works, save it. Swap the topic, keep the structure. A reusable chain is a productivity asset you build once and use forever. Content, job applications, research, customer emails. Any multi-phase task is a candidate for chaining. If it has distinct stages, break it into a chain. Here's the big picture. Professional AI systems are literally chains of prompts running in sequence. You're learning the same pattern, just without the code. 3 rules. Map before you prompt, be specific at every step, and always review the output before you pass it forward. That's the whole system. Your challenge: take your next AI task and split it into at least 2 chained prompts. See the difference yourself. Subscribe. New techniques drop every single week.